In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Sololearn coding app not working or issues related to this app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're having any issues, maybe the app is too slow, it can't open, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix it. You can do this by using any of these methods that I will illustrate here. In the first method, we're going to access the app info page, and we can simply do this by just long pressing on the app and then tap on app info. Now here, we first want to go ahead and clear the app cache data. To do this, you can clear data using this option. And if I go to storage here, you can see this app has cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To clear this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. From here, go ahead and restart your smartphone, and this now should have solved your issues. So in most cases, this is enough to fix any issues related to your app. However, should you still experience any challenge, then come back to app info page and clear all data here. Should this not solve your problem, then you need to go ahead and look for any update for Sololearn app. To do this, I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store. For my case, I'm on Android. If you're on iPhone, go to App Store. Then search for Sololearn. And here you can see we have our app installed. Go ahead and look for any update. If it is available, then update it to the latest version before you open it. By updating your app, you should be able to fix any issues that were associated with the older version of Sololearn. But should you still have or experience crashes with your app, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this Sololearn app and then install it afresh. So by using any of this method, you should be able to fix your app and have it up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.